Hi guys, welcome to UI Design Factory. Today we are going to see how to add a Bootstrap extension in Visual Studio Code. This is the Visual Studio Code editor. It is an awesome text editor which I use for my projects. Here is the extensions. Click on this. We'll get to the extensions. In this search box, just type Bootstrap. See, already we have got the extensions here. Right now Bootstrap 4 is available, so we are going to install this Bootstrap 4. Yeah, the Bootstrap is installed, extension is installed, and reload to activate. Yeah, now this extension is installed and ready to work. Now we are going to open a project. I have a recent project. Then yeah, this is the recent project. So okay. This code editors gives all the Bootstrap snippets and codes. Like if you want a starter template to start working with, just click P. This before hyphen dollar gives you a startup template. Okay, with all the Bootstrap file included and jQuery files and min.js, all these files. Okay, just for example, let's create a menu with with the help of this extension. Just click P4. Say it shows all these things. We have to select our navbar. If you know what exactly you want, you can just give a hyphen and nav. See, these are all the navbar elements. So I want a navbar defined. This is what code we got for navbar. Just let's see that. Sorry, I haven't saved it. Yeah, right now. See, we have got the navbar very easily. Instead of typing code, it saves our time. So because the background is white, it is not properly visible. This is our background white, and this is our menu. Okay, let me change that menu. Let's go to navbar dark, pg also dark. Okay, now let's check it, save, and let's see. We have got this. This is how it makes very simple to design our templates. Thank you. Keep watching our UI Design Factory videos. I'll be soon back with some new updates. Thank you.